The Edo State House of Assembly for the plenary session wey dey hold on Monday, March 17th don show strong support for one bill wey Edo State Governor Senator Okpebholo bring to create Edo State School of Nursing, Health Science and Technology for Edo Central. The bill wey go help improve healthcare education and boost economic development for the area get plenty support from the members wey represent Edo Central, Edo North and other constituencies. Our Tori person Oyefemi Onosimo say the members come talk say the institution go bring plenty positive effect for Edo Central, like help grow the economy, create jobs and empower the youth with the right skills. Dem also talk say the school go not only solve the growing need for healthcare professionals wey sabi their work, but go also help develop the region as e go give the youth better opportunities to improve their lives.
It is the turn of Edo Central to enjoy the means of development. Yes, sir. It is the turn of Edo Central to enjoy the means of development, especially in the area of healthcare, and healthcare delivery. Today, Mr. Speaker, a bill is before this House, wherein it is being sought for the first time for the establishment of the State School of Nursing, Health Sciences and Technology in Edo Central, and particularly Udomi. I'm very certain, as whispered to my ears, that member representing Esan West, that as I speak, women wearing maracas and men parading drums and young men somersaulting in Okpebholo are celebrating the delivery or the bringing to their doorstep the very shattered work of science instead of mystics. Before now, people used to visit native doctors when they are in that area, because transportation to very far place for treatment has not been very possible for them.
Whether it's a doctor or English doctor, the doctor is a doctor.
That is why the English doctor is going there.
Okay.
Today, there is no state as in unison, even though their own support is coming later, but they have told me that they will support this bill with alacrity to ensure that the people of that senatorial district enjoy that which other districts are enjoying. Not only for the purpose of providing healthcare, because a very mighty hospital, demonstration hospital, is to be supporting this school, but also for them to contribute to the wave of the moment. The fact that post-COVID, Mr. Speaker, healthcare providers have been scarce because the jackpot city has done so much in the traveling out of the shores of this country of people that are exposed to healthcare, technology, nursing, and such that. Today, the state government is willing, able, and eager to establish a state school of nursing, health science and technology to train young men and women who are minded to get expertise in this area of life, so that it will not only be a means for them of livelihood, but also of imparting positively to humanity. Who knows? This may be our next source of expatriate aids for the economic development of Edo State. It will also serve as a way of opening up the area, developing the community, and placing more value in the life and the people of Udomi. Mr. Speaker, creation of this concern will also give opportunities for our teen youth to be positively engaged, both in the area of teaching and administration of expertise, and even the student community. The schools will also act as an elysium for development in that area, because ancillary facilities and infrastructures to support the size of the school, to support the vision of excellence, also be provided, that will lead to the good and overall development of the state. Do I need to go further than to urge honorable members who have expressed excitement in supporting this bill to be expeditiously passed through law, to express that resolve in very few words, so that the needful will be done and the Edo Central will enjoy the dividends of democracy even more intensely. I thank you, Mr.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Speaker, I must tell you that this morning I'm overwhelmed because for the past 20 years, Edo Central has suffered a serious setback. We thank God for the governor we're having today. Senator Okpebholo, that is a true son of EDHA Central and Edo Central. Like what I was discussing with my colleague right here, I told him Edo South, Edo North have benefited massively because they were privileged to produce government for over 16 years. Now, it's the turn of Edo Central. I know that our working governor will not only concentrate in terms of the developmental project in Edo Central. It has started happening in all these littoral districts. But I must tell you that this initiative of our able governor to choose EDHA Central, who to me precisely to be the point for this school of is a wise decision. One, before now, you see that most of these projects, the developmental project and all these things were concentrated in urban areas. Now, we are going to rural areas. It will develop that environment. It will give room for further development in that and Edo Central generally.
Mr. Speaker, I will rise to support the motion made by the majority leader and equally supported by my brother representing Edo Central constituency. Mr. Speaker, I am particularly delighted and we'll take it from where my brother from Edo Central stopped to say that in Edo Central Senatorial District, our marginalization in the last, let me not restrict it to the last 8 years, but in the years past, has been abject, it's been total, it's been unprecedented. It was like Edo Central was no longer part of Edo State as far as development is concerned. Like the majority leader rightly said, this is the first state government-owned institution dealing in such critical matters in Edo Central Senatorial District. We cannot be thankful enough to His Excellency, the Governor of Edo State, distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo. Mr. Speaker, among the other laudable objectives which the majority leader has rightly pointed out, we are also very speedily looking forward to a complete revitalization of the health system in Edo Central. We look forward, like my brother from EDHA Central has said, Mr. Speaker, to much more of this. I did stand on the floor of this house to say that under the past administration, regrettably, we didn't have a single functional general hospital in the entire Edo Central Senatorial District. Not one. To the glory of God, another illustrious son of EDHA Central, may so rest in peace, late Admiral Icon. He brought us the EDHA Specialist Teaching Hospital, which today is the only lifeline that we have in the entire Edo Central. There is no presence of a state facility through the years. So that is why the enemy that my majority leader was talking about and people celebrate. Yes, we are celebrating because one of our own, and this is why we voted massively in Edo State for a government that is homegrown, that knows our problems. So, Mr. Speaker, thank you for the opportunity.
Mr. Speaker, sir, what we are talking about is in the school. I'm so excited about everything my colleagues have said about this school. But more to it, Mr. Speaker, is that we are talking about a school where students have to be admitted. Mr. Speaker, you will agree with me that we all know that there is a regulatory body for all the schools. Sometimes we want our persons to go to one school or the other, but because of the quota, they are not able to be admitted. If somebody wants to read nursing maybe in one school, they say the person wants to read geology. So it's a place. But I believe that with this school today, we have an open opportunity for more persons to be admitted to read this course in nursing. And they will be satisfied, their families will be satisfied, the children will be satisfied that what they want to do, they have been able to achieve it as an opportunity. And this opportunity was provided by no other person other than our distinguished Senator, Monday Okpebholo, Mr. Governor of Edo State. So I sincerely believe there is a strong reason why this school should be looked into, the reason to pass this bill. Mr. Speaker, if you will recall recently that we had a lot of issues with Ambassador University as to where their students were to go and do internship or whatever. No place. So I believe that when we have this kind of school, a number of them are in ISTH, EDHA Specialist Hospital. But if we have another school like this, it opens another gate for them to do whatever they want to do as far as nursing, health science, and other health-related courses is concerned.
Mr. Speaker, let me borrow your language. I think this matter has been overflowed. The importance of health education in our society cannot be overemphasized. Health education, in order to be able to reach both the rich and the poor, must be decentralized. And that's exactly what our governor, Governor Monday Okpebholo is trying to achieve a situation whereby university admission is given based on catchment area. It is therefore expedient that some of our indigents who are from Edo Central, who are from Edo North, who come to University of Benin, for instance, that is already overpopulated. And they are not given admission based on the fact that there are no spaces for them. Every institution has the number of students to number of lecturers. And you cannot exceed that. In the event that you want to exceed that, you stand the chance of losing accreditation. So, decentralizing and making more of these institutions available at various or the 3 senatorial districts, it won't be too much, Mr. Speaker. Because this will give our children that live in Edo Central, that live in Edo North, opportunity to showcase their intelligence, that they are able and well able to study health-related courses. Mr. Speaker, one of the professions that the white is stealing from us today is nursing profession. Nurses are leaving our country in droves. One way to compensate for this deficit is to increase the number of school of nursing, school of health technology that will provide us more nurses to fill in that gap. Mr. Speaker, this particular project is laudable. This particular project in no time would help to checkmate this loss of nurses to other parts of the nation, of the world. This particular project will improve health education and in the long run improve health performances in our various health institutions.
The bill passed second reading and then sent on to the Committee on Health and Education for further discussion, say make the committee review the bill and submit reports in 2 weeks.
We want to also let you know that as a house, we stand always supporting whenever this kind of bills go to this house. Not only to support it by passing the bill, also support it by also assisting him to get the funds to also actualize the reasonable budgets. That is very, very important. It's one thing to pass a bill, it's also another to execute the project that the bill is covering. So I can't want to assure you, however you want to do for him to simply make sure to achieve the erection of the institution. We are there to support it, to look like and say. Thank you very much, Mr. members. We just finished debates on the bill for a law to enact the Edo State School of Nursing, Health, Science, and Technology. If you're in agreement that this bill should scale through the second reading, please say aye. Aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. This bill is hereby referred to Committee on Health and Education to fine-tune the I registry and property registry. So, big back of this house will take 2 weeks.
This action from the legislation shows say the government is serious to improve education, healthcare and economic chances for Edo State, especially for Edo Central. The creation of the School of Nursing, Healthcare and Technology will serve as one big way to support sustainable development and empower the youth for the area. The House come adjourn sitting to Tuesday, March 18, 2025 for 10 o'clock for morning. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Edo State House of Assembly, Ekata Ojesele reporting for TMC TV.